Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And you read the description, you said smash burgers on an air fryer. Well, we're going to use a new product that I picked up, and it's called Grates. And grill grates are originally designed for barbecue grills. They're a replacement, and they actually, they'll last forever. They're made out of some very hard anodized aluminum, and they give great sear lines, and they literally last forever. So if you're looking for grill replacement grates, go to grillgrates.com. If you want to know how it works, kind of here it is right here. They kind of talk about how it's made. Like I just said, it vaporizes the juices, gives great sear marks, and it's a great replacement. And folks, a lot of people who've had these, and I can attest for them. I got a set that I use on my grills, and it does an awesome job. So what we're doing today is what we got here is we've got the one that's made for, and it's made just for what we've got here for the air fryer. In fact, they make it for the Ninja Foodie, and blank white screen. So oh, there it is. So, one of the things I said is, can this thing actually work on the Cosori? And you know what? I've been playing with it, and yes, it can. So, let's take a closer look at it. I want to give you some dimensions because everybody's going to be asking, hey, will this fit in my air fryer? So we know it fits the 5.8 Cosori, but hang on, let me get you some dimensions and let you know whether or not it fits. And there's the prices. I mean, I paid $40 for this, so that's a little pricey. So, but you know what? If it works, it's worth it. So, tell you what, let's get the dimensions of it, and then let's get some smash burgers ready. All right. So, dimensions of this is it's like 8¼ inches, folks. I want you to see for yourself. So, 8¼ inches across, and then if we were to measure the other side here, you can see it's about 8¾ So, its longest spot is 8¾ and this fits in the Cosori, fits in like that, and you see it fits, room to move it around. But today we're not going to use it for grill marks, we're going to use it for the griddle side. So we're going to flip it up like that, and we are going to preheat this, put a little canola oil on it, preheat it, and then we're going to take it out. We're not going to smash it inside the grill, and then we will probably remove this while it's hot, and then take our press, smash burgers back in, and then back in the Cosori. So sounds complicated, but it's not. I tell you what, let's get that burger ready. All right, let's get our smash burger ready, folks. I've been making smash burgers for a couple years, and if you watch my channel, Tom Horseman on YouTube, you'll know that I have never made them the smash burger way. Smash burger is how you want them made. And so this is how it is, 1/4 pound, 80/20. I put a little stir fry oil in there, just Zang's garlic infused cottonseed oil. It's awesome. And then I put seasoning, my Morton's Nature Seasoning. I love this stuff, on the inside of the burger. Yeah, where else? And then some cheese on the inside of the burger. So I use a 6 cheese Italian. I really like the stuff fine cut. Mix it all in. Because if you want your cheese, where would you want your cheese? On the outside or on the inside? Think about that for a second. It really does good on the inside. If you haven't tried it, try it. So we're going to preheat. We're going to get all set up here, and I'll give you a look-see once we're preheating, and then we'll get the smashing. All right, folks, we're getting ready to smash here. We've got our, and what I did was I sprayed a little bit of oil in there. I'll roll this over, and then here's my smasher. You can use whatever you want, but this is what I use when I'm cooking outside. If you haven't watched Tom Horseman on YouTube, do a lot of barbecue, I do a lot of griddle stuff too. And we're all set. I've got a brioche bun, and I've got some nice pickles, and instead of ketchup, Secret Stadium sauce. So let's get the smash in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna take out the inner basket, and I sprayed it with canola oil. I want to get that around there. Make sure it's nice and spread out. Then we're going to put our and then I've got some parchment paper. I'm going to fold that over, put that on there, and we're going to take our smasher And push it down. Pull that off. Pull our parchment paper off. And then we're going to put it back on the air fryer. You can hear it sizzling. See you in 4 minutes. All right, I adjusted the time so don't get thrown off by that. Let's take a look, see. Holy smokes. You got, yeah. I know you want to see this, so let's try and give her a flip. So it's a smash burger, and it's turned out pretty nice. So we'll go back on, and it ain't gonna go much longer, folks. We're at 7 right now. I think I'm gonna take this to 5, pull it off, let it cool just a little bit, and then we're gonna toast up our bun, and we're gonna have dinner. Stay tuned for that. All right, there it is, plated up. Some nice brioche buns. I did take and put that on the air fryer, and just I love pickles. Pickles on the burgers, just awesome in my opinion. And then instead of ketchup, a little bit of stadium sauce. You want to see what? Oh, now that's a burger. Should we take a taste test? Yes, we shall. Smash burgers on the air fryer. Folks, that's unbelievable, isn't it? Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.